Hi, welcome to Jetting. This is the presentation of the MJet V3. This is the most powerful machine we have in our family of machines. It's a pneumatic air-driven machine for 2 motors, and you use it for pushing, blowing fiber cables and doing relining on subducts. We have a range 4mm cables up to 40mm cables, and using ducts up to 50mm or even potentially more. The power of this machine, you can use up to 1200 newtons. So it's a really powerful machine for doing both cable blowing and relining. In the kit, which we supply in an aluminium box, is of course the machine. You have an included fixture in the box. You can screw this fixture on your work table, and that will prevent the machine from moving around if you have a big drum to pull. Also the clamping device for your duct clamps. And you have your blue box, which you can fill up with your cable seals. And now for the configuration you do on the machine completely toolless, only using your hands. In this case, we have a 6.2mm cable and a 40mm duct. So we take the correct sized duct clamp, take the top part off, place the bottom part in the duct clamp holder. Take your cable, enter it over the counter wheel, which you can adjust. Place it between the belts and into the track of the duct clamp. Now, to prevent air from getting backwards when you're doing your operation, we put the correct sized seal on the cable. It shall be tight, but not too tight. And you place it in the dedicated track in the duct clamp, like this. So, we put the duct over the cable, place the top part of the duct clamp, use the clamping device, and make it airtight. You might need to adjust this when you enter the air. So, you have the cable, put the belt down, and now you feel it's driving, but it should also be able to slipper. This is something you can adjust while you're running the cable. Of course, you still do your crash test before. Now, we fix the ducts with this device, so we are sure that the duct is really on place. Okay? We start the electronic counter, which will show you the distance and the speed while you're running. Everything is ready. You need to secure that this valve is turned off, so now we can open the safety switch. In order to get the cable running, you turn this valve counterwise and air will be supplied to the pneumatic motors. And remember, always cut the duct to prevent cables from getting stuck in connectors. You can do that by using our Jetting PC42 duct cutter. And you will have a nice, clean 90-degree cut.